Every year, marketers come to Boston to become better storytellers.
You know that you cannot badger your customers into buying from you anymore. You know that if you want to reach them, you need to create experiences.
We're looking forward, pun intended, to working with Skyword to develop the stories and tell them more often in more ways to help share this brand story.
This idea of drawing as being this other way of working through things, a very old way, something you all did when you were kids, that you can still do that.
There's only two real ways that you can move someone over: data and narrative.
The quality of the presenters was just amazing. The networking was outstanding.
The reason why I come to Forward is so that I can connect with other people and really coming back with ideas for where we can take our content marketing.
You will see great success as an organization, in divisions across your company, and in regions around the globe. And we're so excited that today, Skyword 360 now gives you the technology to take you there.